Yes.
Abeyo.
Yes.
Kapo.
Hey. Oh.
Yeah, Joe.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
I'm fine, Jordan.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Kumbe, you are here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Aya, tell me. You know, the whole of my house, you decided you want to take this portion.
I want to sit here.
Will you pay rent? Every time you want to sit here.
I have rent.
How are you doing?
Good, man.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay. How is it going?
Good.
Man.
You didn't work today?
This team, Arsenal, Man U, those are the big teams.
But the only difference we have, me and you. Everything, we have everything in common.
Yes.
Except
the teams.
Arsenal. Man U. We are taking the trophy.
Man. You know what? You've come in a good time.
Yes.
No. Sasa. I can't let you speak like that when she's
around. Now what you're doing, I know what you're doing now. You're talking, which one are you talking? By the time I came, which one were you talking to?
I was trying to tell you that those chicks.
Chicks?
Like Arsenal, Man U. Arsenal, Man U.
You know, if it takes very long to understand.
You know what I'm talking about football.
You gave them names, Arsenal, Man U.
Yeah. When I'm home, that is Liverpool. So when I call you, I tell you, Liverpool, you just...
Bull.
Stop calling me bull. Bull.
But one day, I want you to play these games with wisdom.
Man.
The other day, you know what had happened?
It is becoming complicated.
Now I want you to play the game cool.
Actually, I want you to advise me a little bit. You know, they had caught me red-handed. This girl is like, hey, honey, what? And the woman is like, you know, last time I talked about another person's name.
At home?
Yeah.
You have to play it cool.
Like how?
You have to play it cool.
Man.
I want you to be like, you know, I told you, I call your name a bull. You have never failed any game before. Have you ever failed? I want you to be a very good player.
A bull.
Nojja nzize kulabidde musani iye nnyabo naye kusanga munange
bana Uganda otya
jendi abadde oludde okulabika
bannange mukama nga akoze bulungi kolabika bulungi
naye gwasinga ate gwomanyi okoze kawaiti olya ku bintu bannange omwami nga akukoze bulungi mwami Jordan ye mukama yeebale mukozesa bannange
yeebale akati onse naye tuwetaaga okukyuka uzakambeko kinkuleetera
nedda maama ebyange obimanyi mbere ku lusozi era ndi ku lusozi
naye Florence wakikuba
waa ennaku zino
Amanyife. Waliwo ebintu ebikulumba. Muli muzito ninga tosobola kusiba.
Kituufu.
Baze mukama naye tonatuukaye.
Ndeka nseka nkala kate munange.
Ogambye.
Ndeka nkala kate ensozi zange nziwalange.
Ogamba oti.
Gyendi sirina buzibu.
Omanyi ekikunkubisiza essimu.
Sikitegedde.
Kimanyi. Era njagala oyimirire nange ku nsonga z'okusaba.
Ati tusabira ki?
Juda nakyuka.
Asooka ombuulire evamu
Juda nakyuka.
kiki ate mukwano.
Omuntu yali afaayo nga ne woba toyoleza kintu ng'akuluwuliriza. Naye yakyuka. Lumu twali tutudde wali n'agamba Aleni ali atya?
Amubuuza gwe?
Abuuza nze. N'esooka neebuuza. Sirina mukwano gwange Aleni. Mukwano gwange gwe nnyina ye Florence. Nandibuuziza Florence. Mbu Aleni. Nsigala nga ne.
Kyamusimatuka busimatusi?
Simanyi yakyuka. Yakyuka.
Yeeyisa atya ng'ogyeko Aleni kubuuza
aba ku masimu. Waba tali ku ssimu. Aba papa. Waliwo ne wenategeka breakfast. Amanyi we yaŋŋamba. You know my wife, today I'm not going to take tea. I want water. Nendebuuza. Kumakya banywa amazzi.
Mukyala Jordan. Ekyo ky'oyita okukyuka.
Kakyuse nnyo.
Ate okusaba anywe ku mazzi.
Florence.
What is life?
Florence, kyenjogerako tokitegeera. Nsaba onfune.
Kale kankufune.
Omuntu eyali anywa tea. Tea. Ngali spiced bulungi. Nga mutula ku dining table mwenna. Ne mulya nga muli basanyufu. This time round, asaba mazzi. Aba papa, ngenda kula. Waliwo ne weerabira ringi y'ewaka. Can you imagine? Omuntu yali agenda nga temuva na mu ngalo. Ng'agijjukira bulungi nti nagitadde wano, nina ogyambala nga ngenda ku mulimu.
Kati mukyala watuulako naye ne muwogerako n'olaba lwaki afunye enkyukakyuka ezo obalyawo bamwongeza emirimu mingi. Okiraba?
Sinnaba naye nkyakiwuubudde kuba saagala kusooka kutula naye ayinza okwegaana ku byendowooza because I'm just suspecting okuba nga is doing something bad.
Amaka kintu kikulu nnyo. Obufumbo kye kintu ky'otalina kumala gakwata ng'ogalabanja. Simanyi oba Luganda lutuufu. Ebyange obimanyi. Naye olina obufumbo kintu ky'okwata n'obwegendereza. Kibi nnyo kumala galowoleza omusajja. Ekintu ky'atakoze.
Florence, sokolinde. Kati wemba byendowooza nga bye bituufu.
Twakava mu conference juice. Omutwe gwa conference gwali nti omukyalo w'amagezi. Omanyi ngero 14 olunyi olusooka. Omukyalo w'amagezi, mukyala Jordan, azimba ennyumba ye. Naye omusirusiru ajabya n'emikono gye ye. Kakati ekiseera kino va mu kuteebereza. Sabira omwami wo bw'omala okusaba. Mutuuzeeko omugambe gw'omanyi bw'omuyita osaba muyita sweetheart. Gw'omanyi amannya go.
Kati watangamba mazima jjukira nnaku zino takyampa budde. Olaba even in the morning today. Nkukubiridde ojje. Essala ya Katonda enneme. Era nasabye just kusaba kale. Kyova olaba namazegga. Let me say like that. Namazegga. Naye ebyokusaba nga sibi. Nokimanyi nti teyasuze nawo. Teyasuze wakati lwaki kyobalaba nze nolowoolereza omuntu yakakyuka nabeera bakwongedde omulimu oba bamwongedde emirimu. Tekisobola kukyusa bwotyo. Jjukira ndi lubuto natera okuzaala. Okitegeera? Naye teyafuddeyo bansuzeewo namukubidde amasimu nga tagakwata nagakwata. Onsubira ki obudde buno sisobola kubeerawo nti mbeera stressed up. I need peace. Neetaaga emirembe. Kituufu omukyalo ow'amagezi azimba amaka ge, yazimba ennyumba ye. Naye kaakati bino ebiriwo simanyi nze kyova olaba nkuyise sikyalina n'amaanyi gasala jjukira sisiiba.
Tokyasiiba. Kati mukyala Jordan embeera eyo bw'ebanga eri bw'etyo si kirungi kubanga temuwuliziganya ne bbaawo.
Why did you have to do that? Huh? I'm talking to you, Rodin.
Jordan, next time you're doing something.
Jordan, no. I thought you were my good friend.
But you didn't call me when you're going to do your business. You went, you slept out, you didn't inform me that you're not going to stay at home. Your wife calls me, I don't know anything.
What don't you know?
Did I know that you're going to sleep out?
What don't you know? When I'm not home, when I'm home, you must know.
Now, next time if you're going to go out, right? First tell me. You know, I confused the lady. You know, sticking around, stuffs.
Now what did you tell her specifically? Because the woman is mad.
No, I told her you're in bathroom. But at first, it was a surprise. I was like, no. But I was like, you know, I confused her. You know, ladies are very cheap. You can confuse them. You can.
Why did you have to take your words back? Why did you have to eat your words?
Now, you wanted me to tell her that you didn't sleep at my place?
I'm in a bathroom and I'm want to walk. Oh. Can't you speak something that is reasonable?
Joe.
Yeah.
Next time we do things, yeah? Just make it work. First tell me. You know, when you tell me, your wife is very confident with me. When I tell her something, she knows that it is the fact, it's the truth. But this time around, you went, you didn't tell me. No, next time better. I want you when you leave, tell me, man, I'm not at home.
Now,
when she calls,
next time, be this bull maker. You're the one who told me I'm Mr. Bull.
Mr. Bull, man.
Be the bull maker.
Man. But you know that I love you.
Oh, I have not told you. You know me.
Now what if she calls and then you're at home and I tell her?
every time I call, every time she calls.
She can call me.
Hey.
No ladies are wise. She can call me and then she asks me, is Jordan at your place? And I'll be like, hey.
Jordan is everywhere. Jordan is everywhere. Now, Rodin, I know you can do this thing very well. Okay? I know you can fix this. Man, find a way to fix this. Find a way, because I don't know what to tell her.
Now, you know what?
Yeah.
I'll come at your place.
Okay. Oh, babe. We're asleep. You know I've knocked. And you're not opening up. Oh, if I had not gone with the key, I'll be there, you know.
What of it you've opened for yourself?
I'm okay. Thank you. So, how are you? How is here? You know, this phone got a little bit of cracks and... Anyway, I'll have it.
I just want to see photos as I used to see.
Photos?
Yeah.
No, I removed the photos. I formatted. Yeah. Maybe.
What's wrong with your phone? You don't want me to even touch on it?
No, the phone is okay, but... You know, you want it?
Besides, why didn't you sleep over?
You know, sweetheart.
Since we got married,
Sweetheart.
you've never slept outside.
I'm very, very sorry. I'm very sorry. You know, these days I told you,
What?
work has become a problem. And actually, I'm going to look for another work. I'm going to start looking for another work. Because they're giving me too much work and I have reports to compile.
Wait. I called you yesterday. You are not picking. Why? And you didn't sleep home.
No.
You didn't sleep home. This is too much for me. I'm telling you. This is too much for me. Why did you sleep home? I called you. You are not picking my calls.
Now, if I don't want you to become so mad. Because if I explain to you, you will instead sympathize with me.
I won't.
No, let me tell you. One thing you must know. We have to compile a report, a year report. Our bosses
My question is, I was calling you. You were not picking my calls. Why were you not picking my calls? And
because
why didn't you explain that my wife, I'm not going to be able to sleep over? Why did you pick me up?
this is the reason. And I'm telling you. I wanted to call you.
What happened?
Thank you. When it reached time to call you, they had collected all our phones, kept in the store. We are told everyone to hand in the phone. You finish
When
up
did
the
that
work.
start?
This is the problem with these new bosses.
You got a new boss?
They brought a new boss
Sure.
at office. New boss, new CEO. We had a meeting. Everyone who had not compiled a report, a year report.
I'll get to know the truth.
I was about to be even fired. You should thank God I'm not fired. I'm one of those brilliant people that the company values. And I had to sit down with my team and I'm the overall in my department. You know
You
that?
should know my plans. I'm just fed up with this marriage.
Oh, my sweetheart. You know, there's something you don't understand.
It's you not understanding me.
I understand, but this...
It's you not getting me.
Oh, babe.
You think you're wise enough?
Going too far.
No, going too far. That's the reality.
Do you want me to take care of work?
Since we got married, you sleep home. Now you're telling me your nonsense that they collected our funds? Really? Which
Since I
company is
got
that?
this job, they have never told us to compile a
Please,
report.
the neighbors are going to hear us. Can you please decrease your volume?
Hello, how are you?
We're good. How are you?
I'm okay, you're welcome.
Thank you. Is Roshan around?
No, she's not around, but I'm in her shoe.
Oh, okay. So, wanted to make some nails.
Which type of nails? Gel, artificial?
Artificial, just.
With gel?
No, just artificial.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Rose, yes? Work on these two beautiful girls. Please feel comfortable.
Thank you.
Let's get for them a chair. They want artificials with normal Tutex, yes.
Oh.
Yeah. I think you know the prices. It's 15,000.
All right.
Kale. Feel at home, feel comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
since I got this job, there is no day our bosses told us to compile a full year report and don't leave the office unless you are through. Did you want me to just move away because I have a home? Did you want me to say, no, you know I have a wife, then give me my phone, I will not give you the phone? I'm this kind of a Christian man, you know. I obey my leaders. Not you. At least you understand me. Now you've changed. The other days you would listen to me. You're changing. Even you raise your voice, you're like instead of asking me. No.
For sure.
Do you want me to take you at office tomorrow? Do you want me to take you at office? No. Now you meet the other boss, you see how tough he is.
No need. But the love has started to change.
I'm worried. My wife is home alone. She's pregnant, and now I can't.
Okay. I'm sorry. How has been with it?
Worried about you. You being in the house alone. Worried. My wife.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. The money?
We talked to Roshan about it and we negotiated. That's why when we came here, we first asked for her.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
You paid her?
Yes, we gave her the money right before.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so what should I tell her your names are?
Just tell her, listen, Kathy, she will understand.
Kade, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye. Nice time. See you. Come back next time.
All right.
Kale. Mwana, Alozias, bana bategedde.
Bano bekokolenga. Sibategedde bwe busosoba.
Tobamanyi?
Yeah.
Mwabo bwabo tubbye. Manyi obwala obulungi mwana obukampasi obwo.
Boy mwana. Nange sinza kulimba.
Oba nkubire ku bestie.
Bayi mukubireko.
Kamukubire.
Bagali bayogedde nabo.
Mbu bayogedde naye mbu bwasasudde ku mobile money Roshan kigoba ku mobile money za business. You know, mwana kamukubire. La. Bestie. Hi, mommy. Hello. How are you? Kati, I was here and some two girls came. One is called Lisa, another one is called Kathy. And they're like, they sent you money. They did adfishes with Normal. Did they send you any money? What? Are you serious? Choka, they looked humble. Uganda, don't scare me. Did they send you money? Alozias?
Yes.
They didn't send money. What to be? Booyah! Roshan! You girl, I'm so pissed and they looked so nice. And now you're bubibuno. Let me call you back, you girl.
Wakaka sabatu byebudu.
Bane obuwala nga bweyambazizza.
Ate nomale kibazanga. Simanyi kubajja.
There is something I told you about.
Yeah.
You know.
About the baby.
Yeah, this house is very big and now you see you got a new a new boss.
Yes.
So even they have reached an extent of collecting funds from you.
But I'm about to hire for you mkozi wa waka.
Don't bother calls. There was something we talked about last time. I want to go home.
You want to go home? Yeah.
Since I want to give birth, I want to go home so that my mother takes good care of me.
Brilliant.
I'm tired of eating KFC every time, so I want to start Bienda.
Bienda. That's obvious.
I would like to go.
You go home, they nurse you, they treat you like...
Yeah, like a brand.
My wise wife. That's why I love you. You are so wise. Very wise. You know?
Yeah, I want to go home.
Yeah. When are you going?
I want to go on Saturday.
Saturday? No. Why not tomorrow? Such that by Saturday you've gotten conversant with the place.
Today is Wednesday and I don't have anyone who is going to pack for me clothes, so I want to pack clothes very not on panic.
No, you know, I've just come back from work. Now let me go help you pack.
You're much excited?
No, like I have to pack the clothes, the towel.
Yet you don't know what I'm taking?
Okay, let's go and
wait, since I'm going home, how much are you going to give me?
the match one.
I want
1M. I'll give you 2M.
Wait, do you know Roshan?
I don't know Roshan, but I've been monitoring, and my friend told me that the lady who works in that salon is called Roshan, and she also showed me her face, so I knew. So when I passed around and I didn't find her there, I was like, let's go and do nails for free.
I was scared.
I just hope they don't get us, you girl.
I just pray.
I just hope they don't get us.
For real. But that was intense. I was scared because she kept on asking us, are you sure?
But the good thing is that you didn't show that you were what? Sims must not show that they are scared, because now there you won't be professional. We better get going before they find us here, because it's like that guy she was with. I doubt whether we better get going.
Let's go.
They shouldn't find us here.